Howdy everybody, my name is Jeff and today I'm going to show you how to create sign-in sheets using Microsoft Word. The other day I was starting a study group with some fellow students and I wanted to create a sign-in sheet for everybody that came in, and I knew that Microsoft Word has a great selection of templates you can choose from and really customize your sign-in sheet. So that's what I did, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing right now. Now you're going to want to go to your templates. So File, New from Template, and in this little search area you're going to type in Sign In, and see a bunch of templates come up. But right here we have two. We have a meeting sign-in sheet and we have a student detention sign-in sheet, and I'm definitely going to use the detention sign-in sheet. So I click Choose. It is downloading. It does not take very long, and voila, we have a detention sign-in sheet. And if that, if you're not looking for a detention sign-in sheet, you can then change it. You can change every little bit to tailor what you want. But you have name, the grade, the time in and time out. You have like an overview at the top. And that's how you create a sign-in sheet using Microsoft Word. I'm Jeff. Thank you for watching and good luck.